Hello everyone, I'm Tutor Tony. Today I'm going to explain how to use a word "le" in a sentence. "Le" is the particle. We usually put "le" in the end of the sentence. So "le" is usually means you have done, you have complete, or you have finished something. For examples, 我吃完了 I have finished the meal. So when you put the "le", it's usually like in English you are using the perfect tense. That's the have, pp, perfect tense. So 了，我已经吃完了 I have finished meal. 我做完了I have done something. 我做完了。我看完了 I have watched it. For example, 我看完了电影 I have watched movie. 我看完了 I have watched. 了 We usually use 了 and 已经 together. 已经 is mean already. For example, 我已经吃完了 I have finished meal already. 我已经做完了 I have finished already. 我看完了 I have watched already. Alright, so that's the explanation for the. I hope that helped you a lot, and thank you. Bye bye.